Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, the tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back, here we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera with a tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear and front with a black gripped running board, side view camera, spotlight and turn light indicated, blind spot detection, and moving to the front we got a lovely black hood deflector, front park sensing with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, you got cup holders and storage, rear vents, some outlets for charging, and a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do get a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, auto stop assert, lights, spotlights, parking brake, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 9 kilometers. We got this lovely leather wrapped steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking under screen, we have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my favorite gear select that is collapsible cup holders with tons of storage outlets. Got your center console here with even more storage underneath. Drive modes, rear locking if and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below with storage on the dash, and we do get this nice powered rear window opener, which is perfect for some extra air or whatever. Your park assist, which you can turn on or off, which is just your park chimes, hazards and traction, and a nice 360 view of your vehicle, which you can go for different camera angles. And now looking at your audio here, we do have AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE79262, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.